To change display size on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to go to settings, scroll down to find display, and then here if we go to screen zoom, we will find this slider and we can move to the left and to the right in order to adjust the size of the screen. Furthermore, we can also use developer options in order to get a like more customization options, or actually there is just one option that allows us to adjust the DPI. So in this case, go to about phone, then software information, and keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password, and then press OK to see the information that developer mode has been enabled. Go back to settings and scroll further down to find developer options. Here we need to keep scrolling until we find minimum width, which is over here. This is in the drawing section. And here if you change the minimum width to a smaller number, then you will make the screen bigger. And if you set it to a higher number, you will make the screen smaller. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!